What up people? I'm back with another video. So, last time dun sa A Day in the Life of a Freelancer natin, I mentioned a new restaurant here in Molito, here in Alabang still. And it's a Thai chicken restaurant and I want to try it out with you guys. I'm not a foodie, so please do not judge me kung mali yung mga sinasabi ko. This is gonna be actually the second time that I'm gonna be trying this. But this time I'm gonna vlog it properly so that I can take you with me. This is Kakao Kai. Ayan. Right. And nasa buka na lang siya guys ng Molito. So it's actually beside Mercury Drug and Wooden Horse. Okay? So tara. Subukan natin. Okay guys, so right now we are already inside Kakao Kai and so this is what it looks like the rest of the place. So actually it's a little bit small. The place looks good. Maybe ganito talaga ang itsura ng Thailand. I wouldn't know because I've never been to Thailand. Okay? So yan lang siya. There's a small like cocktail bar here. If you can see that. Ayan. Right? So right now, we are going to order food and this is their menu. Okay? So this is their menu. Right. Last time I was here, I tried Gai Tod and I want to try that again today. I want to give it a second chance. Last time I only rated it like about 8 out of 10. But I'm gonna try it again. And then these are their other menu. Okay. So the price actually is not bad, no? I mean, it's a little bit more expensive than the usual, but it's okay. Yan. So, yan yung mga drinks din nila. So, they have beers also and they have cocktails. But, I cannot drink cocktails or beer because I'm at work still. But, I am going to try their Thai iced coffee today. Okay? So, ayun. And also, they have party meals. Yan. Meron sila niyang mga yan. So, again, this is in Alabang, Molito. Inside Alabang, Molito and beside Mercury Drug and Wooden Horse. So, ayun guys, I am going to order now. Mag-order lang tayo ng 2-piece Gai Tod. And, I'll show it to you guys, okay? By the way guys, just a disclaimer, I'm using a new mic. Not to show off. I'm just using a new mic and I want to know how the sound is. So, if it's too noisy, if it's bad, please comment down. Please let me know in the comment section below, alright? Wait. Ready to order. Bali isang 2 pieces Gai Tod.
Gai Tod 2 pieces. Original or spicy, sir?
Half.
Okay po, mix po natin.
Yeah. Pwede bang yung parts niya is ano?
Yes.
Anything na walang drumstick. Basta hindi siya drumstick.
Basta hindi drumstick. Okay po, sige po.
And then, isang Thai iced coffee.
Thai iced coffee.
Yes. Yun lang naman.
That's all na po.
That's all.
Repeat order ko lang po. Bali po isang Gai Tod 2 pieces po, nakamix po. Then not drumstick lang po. Then Thai iced coffee.
Thank you.
Serving time po 15 to 20 minutes, sir. By the way po yung rules kung may kailangan na.
Thank you. So last time guys, ang in-order ko dito is yung Thai milk tea nila. Actually, yun pala, nag-vlog na ako nung first time. Kaya lang, pinapanood ko muna siya sa sister ko. Hi, Ate Mane. And sabi niya, hindi daw maganda yung audio quality. Kaya napabili tayo ng mic, guys. So, it's inside my shirt. I'm wearing it right now. It's a DJI Mic Mini. I just paired it with my Pocket 3. No? So anyway, so yung in-order natin niya is Thai milk tea and it was mint tea siya. It's not the usual milk tea na in-order ko like sa ibang brands, no? But it's okay. I mean, I like mint tea stuff. And even chocolates, I like minty stuff. So, ayun. So, this time, we're gonna try the Thai iced coffee ba yung in-order ko? I can't remember. So, check na lang natin later. Yes, Thai iced coffee. So, ayun. Okay? So, let's wait for the food. And I'm gonna show you to the place. So, bale, it's a small place. But it's very aesthetic. Kung gusto nyo mag-Instagram here, pwede naman. I think this is very Thailandish. So, okay siya. They have the banderitas, they have the umbrellas. May mga kumakain lang kaya hindi ako umiikot because, you know, just respect for them. So, di ka... So, ayun. That's the whole place actually. Okay. So, right now, we are just waiting for our food and the serving time is 15 to 20 minutes. I think that is the normal serving time naman, even especially if hindi siya fast food. This is not really fine dining, but yeah, they still cook the food. So the last time it was hot, so it was good. Alright. Thank you. So this is the Thai iced coffee. So we're gonna try it out. See what it tastes like. Ang alam ko kasi, yung Vietnamese coffee at saka yung Spanish latte, they both use condensed milk. For this one, hindi ko alam. But again, I'm not a foodie, no? So please, let me know if I'm wrong. And if may masabi ako mali, please correct me. It's fine with me, really. So try natin. Yung mga pag-amoy-amoy na, kuha ko lang yan sa friend kong si Van. So, because he's a chef, so alam niya what he's doing. It's okay. It's more milky than mas ma-coffee siya. I'm the type of person kasi mas mahilig ako sa mas matapang. Kasi gusto ko yung pinaglalaban ako. Huy! So, ayun. Mas milky siya. Nag-mix na yung coffee dun sa milk. But meron pa rin siya nung kick nung coffee. So, that's good. Okay. It's nice. It's a little bit sweet. If you like the sweet stuff, this is good. I think meron din siyang condense. I can taste the condense dun sa timpla niya. Concoction. By the way guys, dumating tayo pala dito is mga 11:30. Hindi naman, mga 11:38, 11:40. It's already 11:50. And dumating tayo, parang 3 to 4 tables pa lang yung nafe-fill up. Pero ngayon, slowly, dumadating na yung mga tao since mag-12 noon na rin naman. And of course, that's normal because it's lunchtime. Which is good because alam natin na people eat here because maybe it's good. It really is good. So, guys, you try it out here, ha? If you're in the south or if madrap by kayo sa south, try it out here and see kung kamusta. And then, come back to this video and then give me your comment and see kung pareho tayo ng masabi or kung ano man. Alright? Okay, guys. Siguro akala nila magreklamo ako because the food was taking a little while. Although, kaka 15 minutes lang yan. Baka nga wala pa eh. Baka mag-15 minutes pa lang. So, they saw me looking at the kitchen. Chinecheck ko lang naman kung andyan yung food because I'm actually hungry already. And then, I heard one of them asking kung ilang minutes pa yung sa akin. And somebody just approached me right now, saying na 2 minutes na lang yung food. Guys, okay lang ha, hindi ako nagmamadali. I mean, I'm not that hungry. And hindi ko naman kayo sisirahan sa social media because I'm not famous. But thank you for caring. Guys, food is here. Look at that. So there is, dalawa yung chicken niya because 2 pieces in order ko, of course. And then, meron siyang 2 types of sauces. Let me show you. Guys, malaki yung serving ha. As in, sobrang laki niya. dalawa yung sauce niya. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano yung sauce niya. Pero isa dyan is medyo may spice. And then yung isang chicken spicy, ito yung spicy. Ito yung regular. And then meron siyang slice ng cucumber. And ayan. So, let's try it out. Let's go. Okay. So, set aside natin itong mga sauces. And then, of course, bago ko siya tikman with the sauce, I always taste first yung food. Para alam ko kung anong lasa niya. Okay? So, extra crunchy siya, guys. I'm not sure kung naririnig niyo yung background noise, ha? But, extra crunchy siya. And look, it's umuusok siya, guys. Ganyan siyang kainit. Okay? So, let's try it out. Down to the last bite, guys. Ito lang siya. And this is what is left. Tadaan! Something that you should know about me is that I'm a sucker for chicken. So, sa mga magiging travel vlogs namin ni Ana, makikita nyo, if there's a choice for chicken, I would always go for chicken. Especially fried chicken. I know it's not super healthy, but it is what it is. I try to cut it back and go for healthier options. Okay, so nagbayad na ako. The bill was 400 pesos. I think meron siyang 10% service charge. So the milk tea, the Thai iced coffee pala is 109. And then the Gai Tod is 259. So plus the service charge, that is 400 point some cents. Not bad, to be honest. It's good. It's super busog. Super busog. So, ayan.
Ready for dito, sir?
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you po.
They're very nice, actually. To be honest, tinanong pa nila sa akin how the food was. But maybe just because meron nakarap sa akin camera. And also, they're new. Plus, they saw me vlogging. So, again, guys, Khao Kai staff or owner, if you're watching this, just please follow and subscribe. Don't worry, I like the food, I like everything, I like the place. So, I'm definitely gonna come back. But like I said in the last video ko, when I come back, I'll make sure that I bring Ana with me so that she can try also and then we can get her verdict as well. So, yun guys, this is Khao Kai. Again, this is in Molito, Alabang. Inside Molito, beside Wooden Horse and Mercury Drug. Nasa Bukana lang siya. If you're coming from Alabang sa Pote, if you're driving, of course you will be entering from the side doon sa next entrance because the first gate would be exit and then the next one is the entrance. So from there, just circle around going to the exit and then makikita nyo na si Khao Kai. But you have to park first, of course, no? So ayun, verdict. So the food for me, right now it's 9 out of 10. I'm still not giving it 10 because I don't know what it tastes like talaga sa Thailand. So I want to try that out sometime. Probably not next year because we're planning a lot of trips next year. But yes, we'll try other Thai places and see how it goes. Again, the name is Khao Kai Thai Chicken House. And the place, I rate this siguro 9 out of 10 din. I want to see what Thailand looks like, of course, and see kung if it is same vibe as this one. And lastly, for the Thai iced coffee, I'm rating this 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 because I'm just not a fan of sweet coffee. Well, umiinom naman ako, pero hindi yung madalas. Kaya siguro medyo biased din ako because I'm more of a black coffee guy. Ayun. So, again, I want to say thank you guys for watching this video, and always remember that everyone is unique in their own different ways, and every day is a chance to make a difference. So, if you haven't done already, please subscribe to this channel. That's the way for you to help me out, and of course, sana dumami yung mga subscribers natin para magpatuloy tayo sa paggawa ng iba't ibang pang vlogs. Again, I'm not a foodie. This is not a food vlog. This channel is a travel and lifestyle vlog, including running, of course. And if you have any feedback, leave it at the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. And yep, I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Tara!